Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have the Yaklim Clip On Flashlight. This thing is great for if you want to get out and it's nighttime. The daylight savings just changed here, so it is dark super early. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and show you how you can use it and all of the features. So let's go ahead and unbox it. You're going to pull it out, and it's going to come with the light and with a charger. We can go ahead and undo the charger and go ahead and put that in some kind of USB. So we're going to go and take the other end. We do have to stick it in, so we're going to go ahead and peel this back and go ahead and stick it in. And it might be hard to see, but there is a little bit of red showing up there, so that's what we're looking for. It will eventually turn green when it is fully charged. So we'll go ahead and let that sit there until it turns green. So this thing has been charging, and you can kind of see the green light in there, so we can go ahead and unplug it. We'll go ahead and slide the cover back on. And so this only has one button, so it's very easy to operate. And it has 6 different modes, so we're going to go through each one of those modes. Right here is the first mode. It is a high spot light, and this thing will last for 2 hours. The next one is a medium one, and that should last for about 4 hours. Then low is 6.5 hours. The next one is flashing red and blue lights. It may not be hard to see that it's blue, but it really is blue. It might look better over here than directly at it. And that should last for 6.5 hours. The red one only is supposed to last for 3 hours. And the last one is kind of an SOS approach, and it should last 3 hours. So you definitely can see that it is super bright and really kind of cool that it does have the SOS kind of signal going on. Click it one more time, it turns it off. One thing I do like about this clip is really good. It has a lot of like resistance, but it also has these little teeth in here. So when you're clipping it onto something, it actually like stays on. My finger is pretty easy for it to not stay on, but it stays on really well. You clip this on clothes or anything else, that's really going to stay on there for a very long time. And that spring clip design is exactly what you're looking for when you want this to stick on something and shine bright and let people know. The other thing I really like about it, it like weighs nothing. It is super light, and for it to last as long as it does, that's pretty great. I mean, you have lots of light options, and it just lasts a long time, and you can see it from a really far distance. So we're going to go outside and show you some of the different options that this thing has. And I'm going to walk pretty far away from the camera and see if you can see me, and go through some of the different functions that it has. So here is the night test, and I am just going to put this and clip it on the back of my jacket. I'm going to walk up this hill, and so you'll see me start coming up here, and I will go through all of them. So this is just clipped on the back of my collar here. I'll probably be speeding this up as well just to have a little bit quicker video for you, but just wanted to show you what it looks like from a distance. So I've gone 2 houses now down, so that's a good 200 feet from where the camera is at. And there's a little bit more light here, but you can still see me. And I'll just keep walking. And so I'm at least 300 feet away. I'm going to go ahead and take it off, flip it around to the front. I'm going to go ahead and put it on, and then I'm going to rotate through to see if you can see them. So here's the second one. Here is the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and then the sixth one. That is the SOS one. Not certain how well that's going to show up on camera, but I'm about 300 feet away, and so I'm going to go back, which is the one I like the best. If you're out running or something like that, I think this is what I would probably have on, just to allow people to be able to see. I also take my dog for a lot of walks at night, and this would be something I would use. I could either strap it on his harness or on myself, just to ensure I don't get ran over, because there are a lot of country roads around here just outside of this neighborhood, and people fly down here, and I want to be safe. And so this is one opportunity. You can use something like this to be safe, and you should be able to see me pretty well now as I'm coming back towards it. And if you don't like the red and blue, you can obviously change it. And so that right there is just red. As I come closer, that's the SOS, just the regular light. Then a couple of different options on what that looks like, then that flashing color. So here is my unbiased opinion on these. I really do like that it has 6 different options that you can choose from, and helps keep you safe when you're outside in the dark, whether you're running or hiking or taking the dog for a walk or whatever other activities you do in the evening or at dusk. The clip works really well, and just seems like it's constructed very well. I like that it's USB-C. It's got the little piece here that covers it so it doesn't get water inside of it as well, and it kind of pushes down nice and easy and secure back. And I think this thing's going to last for a long time. I'm excited to use it. And if you do have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.